Hi friends, welcome to Tech Trends. We are back with another interesting video. This video is about how to send SMS from GSM module to mobile. Before watching this video, please do like and subscribe to Tech Trends channel. Let's get started. The components required for this experiment are Arduino board, GSM module, a SIM card, 12-volt adapter and the connecting cable. Now connect the GSM shield in the Arduino board like this. Now we connected the GSM shield with the Arduino board. Now we need to insert the SIM card. So this is the slot for the SIM card. So here insert the SIM card. Now we need to upload the program and we can check the output in the mobile.
Now connect the Arduino board to the laptop and upload the program. In the program, we need to enter the phone number where we need to send the SMS from the GSM module. So here we no need to include the country code. If it is not working without the country code, you can add the country code here. So this is the message which we are passing to the mobile. Also we need to install the Adafruit_Fona library from manage libraries. Then select tools and select the board and then select the port. Now click the right arrow button and upload the program to the Arduino board. Now the program is uploaded and we can check the output.
Now the program is uploaded to the Arduino board. Now connect the power supply to the GSM module. Once the SIM card gets the signal, it will send the message from the GSM module to the mobile. Now you can see the message from the GSM module to the mobile. Here the message "Welcome to Tech Trends" we set up in the program.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Please do like and subscribe for more interesting videos. See you in the next video. Thank you.